Programming an INFINITI QX60 key fob typically requires a dealership visit due to the vehicle's sophisticated immobilizer system integrated with the ECU. While over-the-air updates are emerging for newer models, 2023 plus, full programming for most QX60s, 2016-2023, still necessitates professional intervention. The key fob utilizes RFID technology, and the ECU must learn the fob's transponder to prevent unauthorized access. DIY methods are often limited and risky, potentially voiding warranties. Dealership programming costs range from $50 to $150. Digital key integration with smartphones is a future trend, but traditional fob programming remains dominant for now. The core process involves synchronizing the fob's transponder with the vehicle's immobilizer. Dealerships use diagnostic tools like Nissan Consult to register the fob's ID after cycling the ignition and pressing fob buttons in sequence. Incorrect programming can erase existing keys, requiring all fobs to be reprogrammed. The future is trending towards digital keys via smartphone apps like Nissan Connect, allowing fob-like functions through Bluetooth or NFC. Increased cybersecurity measures, like tamper detection, are also becoming standard. While digital keys offer convenience, challenges like cyber vulnerabilities may lead to a hybrid model where physical fobs remain as backups.